Just realized I never did a final video on this. So this is my 12-volt diesel heater. It's running right now. I was making sure it worked before winter camp. And it is in a rigid toolbox. You can set this to control the fuel pump or an actual temperature setting. We got the fresh air intake, and the down there on the bottom you got the combustion intake, and then I got my exhaust running outside right now, and then the fresh air outlet. Now I do always run a second hose into the tent, that way it cannot suck up exhaust fumes. It's impossible. And I have just a cigarette lighter high amperage plug here so that I can have this run off 12 volt, or what that box was in there was a power inverter, and I can hook it up to house power. And then down in here I did a nice connector so you can take it off, and it'll be watertight, and it's watertight sealed too. And then you flip this open, and I don't want to let that drop, but here is the diesel heater itself, and the fuel pump mounted at the angle and everything. The exhaust is underneath there, and as you can see, it all works quite well. And it's kind of modular, so that if I know I'm not going to have any shore power at all, I can leave that entire second box on the top at home. And that's all I got.